Move fast and break things. That's common startup advice. This is day 54 of building an AI startup in 120 days. And today I want us to talk about legal protection. Tech startups move fast, but the problem is they don't protect their ideas as quickly. Many founders focus on building their products and then forget to legally protect what they're creating. And that's the first mistake they do. In Kenya, the Industrial Properties Act and the Copyright Act outline how startups can protect their innovations. But it's like many startups try to do this too late. And so this is why legal protection matters. You can have the best tech idea in the world, but if you don't secure it legally, someone else can easily copy it, trademark it, or even patent it before you do. And this is not something that's hypothetical. This is not an hypothetical risk. It's something that has happened to many startups. Under the Kenya Industrial Properties Act, that is the act from 201, and the Copyright Act, also from 201, tech startups have legal protections for the following things. Number one, trademarks. These protect your brand name, app name, and even your logo. And this is under the Industrial Properties Act, Section 5. Copyright. This protects your app's code, your UI design, and content. And this is under the Copyright Act, Section 22. Patents and utility models. These were interesting for me to learn as I worked on Dira. And these protect your inventions, AI models, and software-based innovations. And this is the Industrial Properties Act, Section 21 and 93. It matters because there are real consequences to ignoring legal protections. Many startups don't think of IP protection until it's too late. The time to act is before you launch. As much as you're launching fast and breaking things, it's before you launch. And real consequences, one, for example, imagine losing your startup name, which might be maybe what sets you apart. You get? If someone trademarks your name before you legally, they own it. Competitors can copy your product. If you don't protect your app's unique features, anyone can replicate it. And then even if they do that and then you end up being stuck in legal battles that you can't afford as a startup. So if another company patents your ideas before you, then they could block you from using your own inventions. And an example of a trademark battle we see all the time is where businesses are forced to change their names and or even pay like huge legal fees to reclaim what was originally theirs. In the next few videos, we'll break down the different types of legal protections that exist. These are trademarks, copyrights, patents, and utility models, and how they apply to the tech startups in Kenya. For now, ask yourself, is your startup